Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Amazon wishlist and share it. So the first step you simply need to do is to open amazon.com and you need to log in into your account first wherever you want to create the list. So I'm going to use my account. Click here and here you can see create a list. So you simply need to click here and here you need to create a list. So here you can see that I already created wish list. So once you create it, then you need to search for any product that you want to add in the list. So I'm going to search for baby toy. So I'm going to select this one. I think it looks good. For this video, we are going to use this one. So you simply need to scroll down. Here you can see the option add to list. So you simply need to select add to. So click on continue shopping. And then we are going to add this product as well. So we are going to now use this product to, and we are going to add this as well. Click on add to list. So once you add it, you simply need to go and you can, here you can see your list. And now I'm going to show you how you can share. So here you can see option of send list to others. So here you can see two options. You can invite someone only to view and edit. So if you want that someone want to add some products in the list as well, so you simply need to click on view and edit, click on copy link and you can share that link. So this is the process how you can create Amazon wishlist and share it. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.